What's up guys? In the last video we will write all of this code. If you don't see, link below and in the description. Yeah. So I will continue with the tag which names body. Yeah, there's no something difficult. It's a twin tag. You may just press enter, and all of these things which you will write here between two tags body, you will see in your app. And let's write here something like subscribe. Like that. Press capital S. It will save. VS Code will save the updates. That, for example, you write Sanjar Productions. Let's delete it. Yep. Like that. Sanjar Productions, and press capital S. You will see something like that. I just updated earlier. Yeah, I updated, and what I mean, everything that you will write between two text body, it means the content in your website, all of the content, all of the text, images, videos, links, and other things which you want to use in your website, you will write between this text body. And what that mean? That means that this thing will continue infinitely. Like, for example, here this more realistic example. For example, I write here body and here body the same. And do you see all of this content which is between him? Each of them. I mean, yeah. You will write in this way too. And as I can tell you about, for example, about BR. BR actually is not something difficult tag. In HTML there is no actually difficult tags. You write something like, for example, Sanjar Productions, and let's write here BR, enter, like that, and everything which you will write after him will continue after this word. Let's, for example, write something, maybe subscribe. Press capital S, it will save, updates, and just update your website. Did you see that? That actually if you not write BR, your text will continue. Subscribe, update, and like that. So just write BR in places where you need to move to the second or third line, and nothing will touch you. Yeah. What about tag H1? This is a twin tag, as you see, and actually this thing is playing like paragraph or something like that role. For example, you write H1. I will just show you. There we have else H2, like that, and H3. Yeah, and this kind of one H's. I mean H's. We have else 6. You know, we have else 6 H's, and what do you think they are doing? Let's write something between them, because this is this is tag. This is text tags. Yeah. For example, subscribe. In a second, let's write the same word in order to better notice the difference. Like that. S, and let's update. Yeah, did you see that difference between of H1 is something like the main paragraph. H2 is not this paragraph which you need to underline, and the third is not so touchable paragraph. Actually, in a short, that's bigger, that's middle, that's smaller. and as this weight and height, just close it, continues till 6. For example, let's write, I'm gonna show you age 6. This is so small paragraph, it's like it's a simple word. So we capital S, and let's update. Did you see? Did you even see how small is it? I make bigger to the 200%, and even like that you can like hardly see this one word. So there is not something like very difficult like this video for that, and if you subscribe, it's very free to subscribe to this channel. Just subscribe.